Corey.
Mike.
Today's road test. 1969 Camaro with some big power under the hood. 615 cubic inch Sonny's racing engines. Anybody that knows, and it's a pump gas engine, knows one of the best in the business. I just wanted to say, Corey, it's kind of funny. The other day we were driving a 60 horse Triumph.
Yep.
Now we're driving a 1,020 horse Camaro.
Yeah, complete different ballpark.
Yeah, completely different. Anyway, let's show them how it drives. It definitely drives okay. I've driven it around. Yes, it's a hot rod, but it will drive. I mean, it drives fine. You got to shift it yourself, but no issues. I put a few miles on it. It makes a lot of power, and it's really fast. I tried to get on it a few times. So we're gonna go for a road test. We're gonna be safe with this one. I just don't wanna, when I get on this car, this isn't a 500 horse car, that I feel comfortable with. This car wants to rock it. And on this busy road, we'll be safe. I don't wanna upset anybody. Switch.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you feel that.
Yeah, just I don't. Again, I want to go for it. Feel that steam, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Goosebumps. Woo. No?
Oh yeah, you feel it.
Oh yeah. I wish we were in a different spot, boy, just to stay in it.
It'd be gone.
Oh, it's gone. Hopefully everybody gets an idea that, like I said, we've been driving, doesn't get hot. Traffic stinks today.
I know.
Terrible, huh? Woo! That'll wake you up.
Yup.
What do you think, Corey?
Oh, she's got some
yeah.
sauce.
Definitely a 9/7 car.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.